let's talk about fusible interfacing again. So this is the Pellon that I showed you, that I have been using. And I also picked up a woven fusible interfacing to test side by side. So that's what I did. I cut a piece, and I cut that piece in pieces, and I made my own block. The same thing I do this here. Same thing. The only thing, look at this. Now let's compare. Feels softer, and this one here, I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna use this one so you see the difference between one interfacing and another. Let's do it. Here I start collaging the scraps, just layering little pieces together to see how they play. And what I love about fabric collage is that it's not just about fabric, it's about emotions too. Every tiny piece has a place, just like every feeling we carry. As I work, I breathe in, I breathe out, and I let the rhythm remind me to be creative and enjoy the process. And now, let's see the result. Oh, by the way, it didn't come with any instructions, so I'm assuming 10 seconds to 15 seconds to fuse it. This is how malleable that is, and they feel almost the same.